And then I watch the human. So they look over there like that. Like 20 seconds late. Because we're in our head. Something took over. Something got our attention. Did I leave the water on? Damn it, I flooded the trough again. Shit. Am I supposed to pick the kids up now? Is somebody going to call me? Was I supposed to call somebody? All of this chatter going on and you're not aware of your horse feels that. Ask me how I know. I got a cool story.
How do you know?
Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. When I first started doing those round penning, working all the sweat out of them like we talked about before, because that's what I was doing. But I was starting to work on this connection with my Mustang Cassidy. I was kind of working where I could walk, trot, canter, trot, walk transitions, just kind of body language and slowing things up and slowing things down. And I'm just barely getting this going. And I've got Cassidy going at this really good trot, and we're just, my timing, I'm right there with her, like, man, this is so working. We got this, we got this. And then my phone rings in my pocket. And it's on vibe, but I'm sitting there timing. I'm like, we got this, we got this. And I lost the moment. This is what I love about horses. They're such a reflection of your horsemanship. I'm looking right at her. I'm guiding right on her hip, and I got this timing going. As soon as I felt, and my mind went to, who's that? She stopped dead in her tracks and looked at me, and I was like, you felt me ask who that was? Holy shit. What? And that's one of the first moments that I really connected with how much in tune they are with us and how out of tune we are with us. So if you want to improve your own personal health, your own personal attention, your own personal relaxing, your own personal quiet skills, work on this with your horse. Your horse will show you exactly how unattentive you are to start, and your horse will show you exactly when you start getting it on point. And then when the two of you can hang out in this blissful, quiet, engaged space, ooh, that feels good. You start building, getting this connection going. Does that make sense? But if my timing is off, if I'm 10 seconds behind him, I don't exist. The more out of time I am, the less important I am to him. That's just reality. It's not offensive.